We move on to sum number 7 of exercise 15C. The given diagram shows two isosceles triangles which are similar in the given diagram. So that's the diagram is this way, that this is B, this is A, and this is C, and then there is one like this. This is P, this is Q. Okay. There are two isosceles triangles. In the given diagram, PQ and BC are not parallel. So these are not parallel. Yeah, PQ and BC are not parallel. And PC is equals to 4 and AQ is equals to 3. BQ is equals to 12 and BC is equals to 15. Yeah, obvious. And AP is equals to PQ. Okay. So we need to find out first of all length AP. We need to find out the length AP, right? And then the next is ratio of the area of the triangle APQ and ABC. Okay. So first of all, let us prove the two triangles to be similar. So we have over here that in triangle APQ and triangle APQ and ABC, yeah, right, sure, okay. We know that this is equal to this and this are ratios. We don't know this, so okay. पैरल नहीं दिया है, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल मालूम है पर कोई एंगल नहीं दिया है. Okay. Oh, they are already given that they are similar, which are similar. Good. So we are given over here that given triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC. Okay. So with this we know that AP upon AB is equals to PQ upon BC is equals to AQ upon AC by CSST. Now we want to find AB. We want to find AP, and AB is nothing but 3 plus 12. So it is AP upon 3 plus 12 is equals to. Now I don't want PQ or BC, तो वो छोड़ देते हैं. And AQ is 3. So we are cancelling this. AQ is 3 and AC is AP plus 4. It is AP plus 4. So we get over here AP into AP plus 4 is equals to 3 into 15. So AP square plus 4AP minus 45 is equals to 0. Okay. So 9 and 5. So we get over here AP square plus 9AP minus 5AP minus 45 is equals to 0. So AP into AP plus 9 minus 5 into AP plus 9 is equals to 0. AP plus 9 is equals to 0. AP minus 5 is equals to 0. So AP is equals to minus 9, not possible. And AP is equals to 5 centimeters. So AP is 5. Clear? So we found out the value of AP. तो AP तो मिल गया अपने को. उसके बाद में we have got area APQ upon area ABC is equals to AP upon AB the whole square. So AP is 5 upon AB is 15 the whole square. So this is 1 upon 3 is 1:9. So therefore area APQ upon area ABC is equals to 1:9. That was sum number 7. So in sum number 7 the answers are 5 centimeters and 1:9. Clear? We now move on to sum number 9. Okay, sum number 9. In the given figure, BC is parallel to DE. Area of triangle is given to you. So this is first part. A, B, C, D, E. Area ABC is equals to 25 centimeter square. Area trapezium BCED is equals to 24 centimeter square. DE is equals to 14 centimeters. You need to find out. Find BC, and second is area BCD. That is this triangle we are talking about. सबसे पहले BC. Now we have to prove that the two triangles ABC and the complete one are similar. So we have that in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, angle A is equals to angle A common. You have got angle B is equals to angle D, which is corresponding, and therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE, which is by AA test. Accordingly, you have now that AB. Okay, what we have is DE, right? So AB. Okay, we directly write over here area triangle ABC upon area triangle DEF. Acha, ADE is equals to BC upon DE the whole square. That is CSST. Okay. Now we know that area ABC upon AD is nothing but area ABC plus area quadrilateral BCED is equals to BC upon DE the whole square. So ABC is 25. This is 25 plus 24 is equals to BC is to be found out when DE is known to me as 14 the whole square. Okay. So this is 25 upon 49 is equals to BC upon 14 the whole square. Now taking square root, we get 5 upon 7 is equals to BC upon 14. So BC is equals to 5 upon 7 into 14. So that will be is equals to 10 centimeters. So BC is 10 centimeters. So you get BC as 10 centimeters. Okay, now what we want is the area BCD. Okay, find the area triangle BCD. So first of all, BC is 10 centimeters. We cross check that. Yeah. Okay. So what is the option for us now is we need to find out the area of triangle BCD. Now over here you can see that the height is the same. Okay, one sec. I'll just erase this part. Okay, pay attention now. The area over here that is of ABC, okay, in this one, if I drop a perpendicular like this is the height. And the same height is also for triangle BCD. So you know that area ABC is equals to half into AB into height, and area BCD is equals to half into ओके BC नहीं होगा ना हाइट, शिट. ओके BC is not the height, but then what? Then what? Then what? Then what? Okay, I think it is better to use the direct formula of the trapezium and find out the height. So we are not doing anything over here. Now we already know, we already found out that this part is 10 and DE already given to us 14. So we know that area BCDED is equals to half into BC plus DE into height. Okay, so that will be the height between this and this. So if I am talking about the height, will be height over here. This is the height, H over here. The same is the height even for BCD. So this we know that this is 25. BCD coordinate is 24. Sorry, 24 is equals to half into 10 plus 14 into H. So accordingly 24 upon into 2 upon 24 is equals to H. So therefore H is equals to 2 centimeters. Therefore area area BCD is equals to half into BC into H. So that is equals to half into 10 into 2. So that is equals to 10 centimeter square. Okay, directly यही करना ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा because trying to make the triangles and whether वो height ढूंढना है, it will be finding out to be difficult. So it's better that you use the direct formula of the trapezium where you know the parallel sides. So these are some of the parallel sides 10 and 14, and height we can find out the height of this thing because the height of that thing is the same as the height of that triangle BCD. So accordingly we are taking the height of the triangle and then we are finding out the area of the triangle, which is nothing but half into BC into H. This is H. So this was sum number 9. Now we move on to the last sum of this particular exercise, sum number 11. Okay, sum number 11. In the figure given below, the triangle ABC. Okay, so let's see the triangle. You have got DE. Okay, you are given that DE is parallel to BC and the AD upon BD is equals to 3:2. AD upon BD is 3:2. This is 3, this is 2. Determine AD is to AB, DE is to BC. So first of all, we know very well that in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle A common and angle D is equal to angle B, which is corresponding. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC is equal to AE upon AC. That is CSST. So first of all, we know that AD upon AB. So AD upon AB is equal to AD upon AD plus BD. Okay. Now that is equal to AD is 3 and BD is 3 plus 2. So it will be equal to 3 upon 5. So that's the answer for AD upon AB. DE upon BC also over here. So therefore AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC is equal to 3:5. Prove that DEF and CBF are similar and find EF upon EB. So now this two triangle, yeah, very easily done. Vertically opposite, and this angle is equal to this angle. So in triangle DEF and triangle CBF, we have got angle F is equals to angle F, vertically opposite angles. We have got angle EDC is equals to angle DCB, alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle DEF is similar to triangle CBF by AA test. And once you know this thing, we know that DE upon BC is equals to, we need to find out EF upon BF by CSST. But we know that DE upon BC is 3:5. Therefore, EF upon BF is equals to 3 upon 5. That is 3:5. Next is, what is the ratio of DEF to BFC? This took a ratio of the triangles. So, area triangle DEF upon area triangle BFC is equals to EF upon BF the whole square. That is going to be equal to 3 square upon 5 square is 9:25. Okay, this was sum number 11 of exercise 15C. So sum number 11, the answers are 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5. Yeah, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 9:25. That was about exercise 15C. Now we need to move out with the next part of the chapter, and that is about size transformation and the applications of maps and models. See, it is this way that similarity, if you see the applications of similarity, you already know that similarity का तुम लोग map reading topography को करते हो तो तुम लोग क्या करते हो, you see a scale and then you say that अगर तुम लोग के map में by that particular string what you are using, if you find that the distance is 2 centimeters, so you are going to multiply it with the multiplication factor and say okay 2 centimeters यहाँ पे map में है तो automatically if it is in 2000 so it will be 2000 kilometers or whatever it is in the on land. So that is the application of the similarity. Okay, so when you see the application of similarity, what we have is, okay, I'll do one thing, I'll just take it in the next video so that it is a proper thing altogether. So because otherwise there will be a break in between because we already at 20 minutes के आसपास में. Yeah, so I'll better take it in the next video.